Okay, right now I am going to figure some stuff out in Unreal. Just trying to make textures work, plotting out, getting some of the functionality that I know is there, but is not fully doing what I want it to do. And then I'll make sure everything works fine, fantastic, great, amazing. I'm so I'm trying to figure out some stuff that is going to make it a little bit easier for me to do this design. I have already decided on a look and feel, which it does not completely look like right now. I think it's a little bit too toony for me currently. It should be the case that it is that I have significantly improved my speed. If I look at it, like I'm doing 30 FPS here. In my recording, it's a little bit less. At least I'm seeing some lagging going on. I'm gonna try to make sure that that is mitigated at some point. But I am currently trying to get this guy to do what I want it to do. I'm having some problems with the keyboard shortcuts that I need to change because now or at least get used to. Why are you? Oh my lord. Come on, man. I'm just trying to glass this guy. Save. And then remove this. Okay. I need to flip the normals on this house. I'm currently starting to dig what I'm doing here because it's starting to look a bit better already. The glass is amazing. Maybe not as transparent as I like it to be. I can always change the glass. There should be a house over here too. This one is still... Don't know what is up with this guy. It almost looks transparent, but it shouldn't be. I think it's a normal problem. Or maybe just a shading, because the sunlight is coming from over there. We've got this giant thing here now. And just look at this. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. It doesn't look 100% beautiful because I've just turned down the settings here significantly. If I do this to 70, normally it would be better. It is significantly better. But if I use this, the lag is gonna be really bad in the stream. If you can see, I'm gonna turn this down back to like as low as possible. If I do 0, this just doesn't work. 25. Does 12 work? No, 25. Anything under 25 is just... It would be great if I could actually do under 25. I really don't care. If it's just like a little bit more blocky, but there's just like a little bit of like texturing issues when I am far away from something, then it becomes blocky, and now it's pretty okay. Let's see, we're doing this guy, and I was just trying to copy and paste this guy. Yes. Okay, we've got this. And now, okay, oh, shoot. Is there a way to put pivot? Can I reset? Center on selection, no. Annoying. Okay, I have to Control Shift Y. Okay. Oh. Maybe I didn't even need... Oh, I can perfectly align them then. So I'll do it like this. I'm gonna copy, paste, and then Control Shift Y. Oh. Didn't do anything. Control Shift Y. That is not the result I was expecting. And Control Ving again. And I'm just, instead of doing all this annoying work, I'm just gonna put this guy here. It would have been better if they were perfectly aligned from each other, but it seems Unreal Engine is not quite as mathematically intuitive as Blender. It might be a great idea for me to put on my headphones for a second, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I have my headphones on now. Here we go. Okay, I have this area. I'm probably gonna scale this down because the area is a little bit too big. I really want to build a very large landscape with like very... Unless I can, like, can I scale the actual landscape? Compared to this. The problem is I made this in such a way that the landscape is now going down, or I eroded it downwards, as you can see here, by this very badly done part. I should probably scale the mesh architecture. This is landscape, player start, so this is gonna have to be there in there too. Crystal Conterial Raptorium Nouveau Punk Arterial Mapsima. I'm gonna scale this by using this guy, if it will, and it doesn't scale at all. It seems to be nothing that I can do to make it scale as a whole, which is already a problem. It might be the lock here that is doing that. Scale. World. So that will not work. Different solutions is gonna be necessary. This might be a problem because I have these characters. Although, okay. The characters are gonna need to be a tiny bit bigger in the scenes, so I need to just make sure that I start out with proper scaling and don't have like issues with, because this is, it's just, I think 1.5 or something like 1.4 times this should be bigger. So it's something like 0.7 or something like downscale for 0.8 for the whole scene. And the lighting, I really want to get rid of the lighting. I need to get rid of these annoying bits, and the water currently is just a reflective material. I might actually want to be able to look through this, but the problem is Nanite only cannot do transparency, and these are ingrained in the actual scene. So I'm probably gonna need to remove part of the mesh and use a giant plane here that goes through everything, or at least the parts I want to, and I put that in there and then make that one a decent sort of watery material. I am happy with the reflections though, somewhat, yes. We have here, I am changing things around. I should probably change around this guy. I don't even know, am I going to keep these? It makes it look neat. Because now I just have like a basketball court or something like that, like looks like a Pokemon training course. It's not exactly what I want it to be, but these also don't really have like any purpose, or they don't, it doesn't really make any sense why they are here. I'm making these black. I really like the black vibe here. I need to change some of those normals. I'm gonna have to figure that out. How to flip the normals, which might be in modeling or something like over here. Edit. UV editor. I kind of want to have like this guy be playable. Now it's floating in midair, so I'm definitely deleting this guy. It might actually be better to just scale these. I'm gonna do 1 point, what did I say, 1.4? I'm gonna try 1.8. Okay, maybe 1.4 will be more in line with what I'm looking for. I need to contrast you to a door, but I removed all the doors. Or not really. There's a door still here, but it's like there's something wrong with the meshes, because these files come from an altered map. That's not exactly what I intended it to be. So it's gonna be 1.6 probably. 1.6. Okay. That's a good size. But this is an enemy character. This is not the basic character. I should have started with the basic character, but I should also be able to just do it from here and build it myself and choose how I want to play it. I don't know, do I want to be third person FPS? I have no idea. I don't think so. Selection, mesh, paint, brush editing, animation, selection. Let's go into here. I need to change the material on the inside. There's just some like issues here that are a bit annoying. It should be already that you are not nanite. I prefer actually. Can I, normally speaking, I should be able to .h, find class in content browser. I should be able to open this in the content browser. It worked last time. Find class in content browser. Yet it does not find the class. I do conveniently know it's not this one. That is here somewhere. This is the guide. Is it this one? I don't think it's this one. This is like this. Or not. Is it? It's something definitely. It is none of these. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I could just select it. Why is it not there anymore? I did that yesterday. It is this guy. Yes. Okay. It's interesting. It still has nanite support enabled. But I believe I could see through a window, and this would be not possible. I think it's something just with yeah, it's not really a window, it's just transparent. And the normal that isn't registering properly. Let me go for the white. Should be glass. But this time I will use a different type of glass. If it looks any good, which it doesn't clearly. So we're gonna go glass. This is the one that I always use, but I made another one myself, which is also called glass, which is probably this guy. And this one should have proper. It doesn't look proper, that's for sure. It's this. Perspective. I don't think I have a proper mirror material. I do have a mirror, but the water one, but definitely not one that I have called that. This is a granule. I don't think it's really applied anywhere anymore. So I'm gonna the roughness. I'm gonna remove the noise part. Constant. Nee, constant, alsjeblieft, constant. Okay. Roughness will be 0. I'll copy paste this guy. And this has this brownish tint. It might be good to just have a particular color. This is mainly just a blue that is in the. I can just as well just select it like this. I think green is gonna be great. And then metallic. I want this to be full metallic. I don't know how the increases work here. Can I actually go even more metallic? Does that do anything? It doesn't do anything. It looks the exact same way. Okay. No emissive color. saved it yet. I'm definitely gonna save this guy. Applying. And now it looks like this. Let's see what it does with the mirrors here. Oof. Oh, that's awful. Oh, that's awful. That doesn't even look like a mirror. I'm gonna need to do, I need to look up how I repeat the mirror actually. At least it's doing this. Enable NanEye support. Why are you back on? I'm gonna save this for now already. I actually want to see what it looks like here. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. We're seeing this guy. Okay, and we're seeing some of this. It looks okay-ish. But the mirror is awful. It's so awful. But at least we have this going on. And then there's mirror here, mirror there. We got the floor. Should keep clipping through. I just kind of... What does it look like if I play? Oh, these have these also now. Because it was still applied to these, but this is actually what I want. And I don't maybe want to have them change colors when I change anything here. This is great though. This is amazing. This is exactly what I want. I am going to change the object responsible for those other two too. And save it, and then so here. Oh no, this is not the right one. I don't know if that's gonna... It's not the right one. It's not the right one. I can't believe it's the right one. It should be these. No? No, those aren't the one side. These then. Okay. This is what it is. This is the guy. Yes. Okay. And we're gonna use glass, turn off nanite, 3 materials, but I'm, is that correct? Yes, it should be. Save it. Nanite is off, you should be able to display the glass. I have no idea why it's not. Save. Enable nanite support. I don't know why sometimes it just doesn't want to do it. It just doesn't register here. Did it? Yes, it's glass. The wrong glass, maybe? It can be the wrong glass. Enable nan. Why is it back on? It keeps turning itself. Back on. And not doing what it should be doing. Is it maybe? It might actually be. Let's see if I change this. No. And again, nanite is back on. Why is nanite back on? Every time I change the material, just it goes back to on. And again, it's back on. It just keeps turning itself back on. I like the red more than whatever this is. Is it not transparent? No, it's not transparent. Not at all. It looks grainy and not at all what I asked for. Enable gravity. This should be the exact same as the other one. Glass. Let's see, I have different types of glass. Here's this guy. Again, nothing changes. And now it does. Okay, I need to apply changes somewhere. The whole point why this is now transparent is because the normals are not right. Okay, I'm gonna glass. Use this glass. Okay. And I want the yellow to be red again. Okay. So makes it less of a, oh no, I know what I want to do. 003. That's gonna be way better. Now it just blends in with the rest of the scene. Okay. So now that I found that out, it might be great to go back to the, where is this object? Okay, this guy. So I'm back here. And then I apply changes. Yes. Wow. Oof. I don't know what that noise was. Okay, that looks great in here. What does it look like in here? I'm seeing some flickering because the two meshes here are overlapping. Okay. Got this going on here. That doesn't look great. Okay. I do have stuff that I can place around here. But I also want to, do I want to just mirror to what's here? I'm probably gonna build something here and expand out the map. I am going to 100%. I'm gonna look. This is the landscape. Am I capable of enlarging the landscape, or do I need to remove it all? Let's see, 200. It's gonna scale. Yes. But we did go quite a bit of axis event. This is not where I want it to be. I can't change a bunch. Landscape. I don't have a pivot axis. Oh, here we go. Okay, that's working as intended. And now I want you to go. Can I not push this, the pivot center on selection? That's not. Center on selection not working. Pivot. Reset doesn't work either. That's annoying. It's being calculated from there, not from the center. Thank you, Unreal Engine, for making my life 100 times harder. Okay, let's go. Move it. I also can't see this in real time. And I'm actually of the opinion this is still not at all what I want it to be. I might actually want to go 1-0, and this is gonna take a while. Oh, it's a lot faster than I thought. Maybe if I can do something like, oh, are you gonna load? Did I break it? Oh my god. I'm gonna go back to where I was. Maybe it would be a good idea to remove all of it to some extent. Come on. Go back. Why are you not going back? Oh no. Fantastic. Wow. Okay, now we're more or less just a tiny bit. Just a little bit more. A little bit. And we're back at. Oh. Okay, this should be fine. We're going very slow. Camera is at not a great speed. Okay, this is perfectly back where I was. Maybe just a tiny bit off center. Let's see. Wow. I do need to add some stuff to my content. That I had downloaded yesterday and that I started unpacking. gonna be in 3D backup. Come on, 6. Okay. I'm gonna create a folder here, which I'm gonna call new folder CG. No, not VG. CG. Open CG. And now I might as well go about it like this. Anything else? No. I'm gonna import this here. If it will. Is it doing anything? FBX options. Okay, skeletal. Build nanite. And then there was nothing else. Right? No material. Import all. I don't know if I should change anything here. Offset translation. Build. Skeleton. Import static meshes. Combine static meshes. Skeletal meshes. Import. This might take a while. Almost 4. It's almost time. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, got a beep. Failed to import the view asset. Am I going to have to do this for each and every one? Otherwise, I am going to quit this part. Oh no. It says use the same for subsequent files, so it should be fine. It has max files and stuff like that in there. I only need the Unreal files, probably. Max, V-Ray, Mental Ray. Oh, I understand. I'm probably also importing stuff that should just not meant for. Yes. That's what I'm erroring out on. That's those are the error messages. And now it's going. And I'm sitting here waiting. It's kind of sad that I can't use Unreal when things are importing. I'm only gonna have to do this once, but my god. Oh no. When did I last save? Well, not so long ago. It shouldn't be long ago. There are auto saves. I am not going to go about adding these the way I just did. anymore. That is not gonna fly anymore. Not gonna do it. Unreal Engine, my project tree, content, CG is empty, so nothing was imported either. Last time I crashed, last time something went wrong. I lost it all. And I need to back up these folders of my projects. So much. But if these are going to be 50 gigs per save, I am going to be furious trying to save these as backups. I have not yet seen backup saving options in Unreal, so it's... Come on. Compiling, compile. It's at least it's doing it. Like last time when I tried going C++, it didn't even compile. It just fucked me over. Because of course the files were like having errors, but I really don't think that if I want to add something to Unreal as a add-on, that Unreal should, you know, stop me or prevent me from entirely running the program just because there's like a single file in there somewhere that doesn't do what it's supposed to do. And it, especially since it's just supposed to be like an automated action. That automated action is not critical to the entire, like, can't it just, I just want an error message that there's like something wrong with the compile of it once it's running already. I mean, I can compile while I'm running Unreal, so it's not necessary to compile everything at the start. It's very annoying. We still have 2000 shaders to compile. And I am going to be... I hope if I save like things like materials and stuff, at least those things are saved. Because that means that nothing is lost. Because I didn't change much to the map itself, but if the materials and changes that I did to the object itself saved, everything should be fine. But this is taking long. It didn't take this long the last time. And I really don't have any time anymore. I really just want you to just open up, see what has happened, and then I'm gonna close this thing that I'm doing. 1500. It's gonna be another 5 minutes or something. Let me see, what else have I been doing? Unreal Engine, Unreal Editor for Ford now in public beta. Let's see what is this going on. Very overpowered. niet similar to those games developed for. This means every experience you create can be published for a built-in audience of millions. Okay, good. Combine the creation tool. Oh yeah, many familiar tools. Do I want to do this? I'm gonna add this to cart. I'm gonna cart. I can go to checkout. Requires Fortnite. Okay. But I don't think I want to develop for Fortnite. It looks bad. Kinda. It doesn't look like what I want it to be. And how is this one going now? You should be done. You should definitely be done. 210. Library. I have an animation pack, but I can't use it because the pack is only applicable to something like 4.4 to 4.275. If this could be updated, it would be so good. Bunker, close combat swordsman, control rig, mannequin, UE4. Which is these have autosaves restore selected. Okay. This looks like, oh, my worst nightmare. First. I am seeing a very, very promising thing. I am seeing that the materials I last did are properly set. So this is absolutely awesome and amazing. Wow, okay. It did give me a bunch of ideas because like seeing it load like that with like those grayish tints and those other things are okay, phenomenal. So now I was going to add 2CG these, yes. I'm gonna do it in the back. Yeah, oh, this is exactly what I should have done in the beginning. Wow. Velvet swizzle. It doesn't look exactly like what I want it to be. Not seeing any textures on this. They don't don't have any names, and if I can't textures, okay, materials, okay, content, geometries doesn't include anything. Velvet Swizzles share, but it does not seem to. It should be the case. Data, it says Datasmith scene. It's a very strange way of going about things. Seat sofa. Is this gonna be too? These are all scenes. Or something like it. Import data. Can I like... I can't even put these in there. So what's the point here? Exactly. I might be better off downloading these for like something in a different way, because this doesn't do what I wanted to do. This is better. This is way better. Okay. This is actually what I want. Trees. Oh, yes, trees. Yes. Oh, tell me. Oh, no. And this one doesn't do anything either with fruits. Content. CG axis. No. Plants. The plants seem to work. Plants are working, yes. Except it's the same issue. What are you doing, man? Oh, man. Let's see if I can find something. Unreal Engine Datasmith scene to object. About the Datasmith import process. It doesn't really matter that I have these if I can't import them. So it might actually be good to just I like these weird, like, the texture flow things and stuff like that. Like, I want to leave this in. It gives this like surreal air to it in a way. And I want I'm gonna close for now. And what I want is I want blocky textures. I'm probably gonna like this like chessboard like pattern on this floor. I don't know if I want this everywhere. I'm gonna draw these on there and then do something that it's like I really want this to have a surreal look and feel. I am noticing something. My map is still gigantic here. And now it's disappeared. It's over there. Where's my O? Okay, I need to go back. Camera, you can go very fast. Wee. Okay. 100. Wow, that's just one block. Where is everything else? What happened to my landscape? What happened to my landscape? Can I delete? But why are these grayed out? These are grayed out and I can't find them anywhere. And I can't delete them. Move to. I can't do anything with these landscape parts. Let's see. Can I add landscape? No. Landscape mode. So my whole landscape is gone. See if I can. Unreal Engine, add new landscape. Manage is what I should find. File, and you get basic models. This looks like, I think this is the 4. Is it? Levels. I'm gonna do this another time because it's time to go. But this is manage. Oh. Clear component selection. New. Okay. This is great. Oh. Oh, I just love how like just the tools make things look cool, and then the tools are gone, and then you need to figure out how to do or make it look and feel like the way the tool looks, because this net thing is just so cool. That just looks so neat, just in the way it like, wow. Okay, and we're gonna grid size 8. No. Number of components 16 by 16. Maybe 32 would be better. 32. Right, 32. Okay. I want it to be overall resolution, scale, total let's make you 4K. 4K. Doesn't do it. Selection size. Okay. That makes it bigger, but I think it's bigger because the mesh is larger. The quads are those squares here. Yeah, I do believe so. I'm gonna... what? Quads, okay, we're gonna go this. And 1 by 1 section, 2 by 2 section. What does that do? Even bigger. I just don't want it to make it... I don't want to make it fill world. Scale 100, 100. This is not large enough. I want this to be 10 times larger. That should be great. The thing is now, those squares, I don't know. Does that mean I can't erode it? Are those the dots? Are those the vertices? If I try to make something that is like just lower resolution. You know, I guess I'll find out. Maybe I should have saved. Importing landscape. Ooh. I think it's fine. High CPU usage detected. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this guy. This looks neat. Can you please? It still has the timer on. 74 changes. To la-di-da-di-da. Unreal 7, save. Aha. Build nanite. Oh, I am definitely going to need to import all file. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, the blocks are there. Of course. Nice. And now it's gonna take 5 seconds. I'm gonna say I should not have pressed import. I should not have pressed import. I'm already freaking out about what is about to happen. No. I can't press anything. Yay. So this is just a call for me to quit for 5 fucking seconds. And tell you